Wow, I managed to charge, kind of fuel up. Thank you, European Union. All by myself. 144 kilowatts. I guess that's fast charging speed. It looks kind of nice here, the Taycan Turbo S. Big problem was how to opening this lid, and that the lid is not on the end of the car, it's on the front of the car. But I had luck, I parked the right way, and it's a Taycan Turbo S, and the wire barely, oops, I have to watch it here. I would like to have something here. Anyway, look at those ceramic brakes, insane. Porsche logo. And here something is, now it's blinking. I didn't have to push this, I just put it in. And I realized that the mirror, or the roof, first that it probably locked itself. No, the roof is a glass roof, but it's not openable, which is kind of interesting. This is nice, matte carbon. I would go for gloss. Is it comfort? No, it's not comfort closing. Once you get used to comfort closing, you never go back. And anyway, just gonna double check. 145, it's increasing. I had no idea how I opened this lid. Apparently I had to Google it. You have to like touch this some way, and then it opens up. And yeah, what can you say? I mean, it's a very nice car. It's only one problem, I would say, that is the range. I mean, I killed the air conditioning, and I didn't drive really conservative, but I drove between around legal limit. But it was for sure around no longer than 300 kilometers. And with air conditioning off, it would be probably somewhat lower. So how can we see? Okay, hood is open, or when can I see, when is it finished? I'm gonna go to McDonald's now and eat. But I don't have no idea to know when it's finished. Maybe I could do that via an app. Whoa, no, what did I push? No, I don't want climate thing. Kill that. Shit, what did I do? I don't want climate, I want to kill the air conditioning on. Now everything started off. Don't want to steal any power. Jesus Christ. Okay, 50%. I have to do it full. So if it's 10 kilometers per minute, it's around 300. Does it mean that it's finished in 10 minutes? No, but probably finished in 15 minutes. I'm gonna run and buy a burger actually. So this is a really new experience for me. This is so cool with these screens. It's like a 512 or 812 Ferrari, but with a lot larger screen. So can I just leave it like this? 52%. This looks kind of satisfying. I just wished the range was like, say, 1,000 kilometers on a battery. Stunning.